Good afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Monday, April 11th, 2011. Yet again, Japanese earthquake news causing markets to move in the electronics overnight. We did open up a little bit stronger last night in the grains. Consequently, we saw them pull back off of news that there was yet an aftershock in Japan, and that's how we finished up the overnight trade into about 7:15, significantly off the highs, corn, beans, and wheat. Once we got going at about 9:30 this morning, we did see some buying interest come back into the corn. However, the wheat and the beans struggled throughout most of the day to gain any momentum to the upside. Beans specifically, wheat was tipping to the green here and there, but finishing only slightly higher. Soybeans were down significantly today. So we'll get right into it. Nearby corn, up 8 today, 776 is where that May contract settled. Soybeans 1368.5, down 23 3/4. We also got news that China may be buying South American soybeans, and also those tenders may be threatening some existing sales that we've made to them. There's rumor that they may be now considering canceling some of the U.S. orders that they have logged with us. So stay tuned for news on that. Be very cautious with soybeans running unhedged right now for the new crop. And anything you have in the bins, watch how long you sit on those. Just some advice. Wheat, 798.25 in the May contract. That's up 3/4 of a point today. So we just gathered enough strength to stay positive on the day into the close after trading a significant portion of the open outcry today in the red. Crude oil today went up and made some significant highs above 113, and now we're trading below 110 again. 109.47 is where that sits, down 332 on the day. So watch out for that crude oil. Technically, we had a key reversal day today, and the question is now, are they going to go ahead and tank this market off of Goldman coming out today and telling us that they're getting out of long positions in the crude as part of a commodity bucket trade that they made, among other commodities as well. If you go look at the news wires, you'll see what they are advising to get out of longs on at this time. The dollar today up just a little bit, up less than 2 points right now, 75.29. We got to get that index back up above 75.50 before I'd be interested in saying anything good about the dollar as far as technicals are concerned. Over into the livestock today, not a whole lot of action at all. Did not hear any cash trade. I heard that some of the bids this morning for fat cattle were $1 to $2 lower than what we were seeing trade at last week. This morning, or I should say this afternoon, April fats up only 20 cents, 119.02.5. Feeders down 72.5 in the April at 133.87.5. Hogs only up a dime. That hog contract April goes off the board on Thursday, up 10 cents at 93.25. We did have our weekly research meeting this afternoon. If you're a subscriber, the link will be emailed off to you shortly. If you don't subscribe to our research, you're really missing out. Rich Nelson put on a little mini Outlook conference today for us regarding feed, regarding supplies for corn and wheat this year, the livestock markets. It really was a very informative research meeting this week. Even more so than what we typically get. So if you don't get that information and you're not a subscriber, give us a call, 800-262-7538, or hit our website. You can sign up for it online, www.allendale-inc.com. With the volatility we're seeing so far this year and the marketing responsibilities that most of you watching this video have, you owe it to yourself to either have a broker here at Allendale or subscribe to our research to help you out with those decisions. So call us if you have questions. We're here to talk with you and more than happy to help. Outside of that, look for continued volatility. Keep your eyes and ears open on the weather throughout the U.S., as that's going to start to become more and more important factor in the way the market trades. Of course, anything that happens over in Japan that's negative has shown us recently that you're going to see panic selling in the commodities, so keep an eye out for that as well. And again, call us with any questions. We'll be more than happy to talk with you. That's it for this week. Thanks for tuning in. My name again is Bob Dalton, and we'll talk to you again very soon. Take